just in, direct off the last owner. What a beauty. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous example with very, very low mileage. Just 22,000 miles. Nissan Qashqai 1.7 DCI, 150 brake horsepower, N-Connecta. So great, great spec. This also has the panoramic glass sunroof pack, which was an option. Great spec on these anyway. Let's take you all the way around. It's a 2020 on a 20 plate with just 22,000 miles. Pearl black metallic, keyless entry, keyless start, cameras, cruise control, navigation. I'll give you a full close-up all the way around. Very, very popular, these Qashqais. Very spacious and of course a little bit off the ground, so easy access to get in and out of. One of the most popular SUVs on the market. So black pearl, looking absolutely gorgeous with the sunshine on it. Great size boot on it. Lovely and clean, not been abused. And the beauty about these Qashqais is the storage. So that's the false floor, giving you nice and level there. Alternatively, you can take those out to give you a deeper floor. All the toolkit there, locking wheel bolt, bit of storage on there. You can put little knickknacks in there. All the loading area, lovely and clean, not been damaged. Rear parking sensors, reverse camera. All down the sides, absolutely gorgeous. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings. With privacy glass, chrome roof rails. It's got these diamond cut wheels. They're all in very, very good condition. Just the odd mark, which we'll point out. No major damage at all, but a couple of them do have little marks on them. We're happy to tell you that, so you know exactly what to expect. Brand new Michelin Primacy tyres fitted not long ago by the last owner, just before we bought the car off him. So they're all brand new, done very little mileage. I believe they've done probably 100 miles or a couple 100 miles, that'll be it on those tyres. They're all matching Primacy. Latest tyres on there, all down the sides as you can see. Lovely and clean. Close up at the near side wheel, and again, very good all the way around. Little mark on there. Got the black wheel arch protectors there on the bodywork. Front parking sensors. Close up across the front. Again, no scuffs, no damage. All as it should be. The very odd tiny stone chip, I can't really see much on there, but there might be the odd tiny stone chip, of course, with the age and the mileage. Otherwise, all across the front, pretty good, pretty perfect. Very, very nice. The driver's wheel, can't really see any damage on that one there, or maybe a little bit just there. Again, the tyre, just to prove it is the matching tyre all the way around. Of course, the final wheel and tyre. Again, very, very good all the way around. And the final tyre. And this is why we do the videos, to give you full transparency, nothing to hide, full honest description, so you don't have a wasted journey. You know exactly what you're getting. Lovely and clean inside, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. All the upholstery is totally unmarked. Plenty of space in there, and of course, not forgetting the panoramic roof. So I mentioned you've got the keyless entry, keyless go. Press the button. Got the folding mirrors as well. And of course, all the door trims, all in great, great condition. No damage to those. All the entry points. All the seats. It's got the flat bottom leather steering wheel. $22,844 is the mileage. You just see that between the sunshine. So I've actually got the roof. So we're going to put the shade across so I can show you what rest of the dashboard is like. If it's too sunny, you can of course just pull the blind all the way across, or just a little bit. So there we go, there's a mileage. 22,844. course, you've got the navigation, nice clear screen there. Various menus on there, you can scroll through. All very easy. Audio. DAB radio. All again, very easy to just scroll through. Mention the reverse camera. So again, you've got the guidelines showing you on the cameras there. All very, very straightforward. Of course, Bluetooth phone connection, dual zone climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, USB AUX input, 2 glove boxes in there, a bit of storage. Various controls on there. You've got the stereo controls, change the stations. You can also change the menu on there. Various settings. You've got lane assist, cruise control, speed limiter.
Please say or select a command.
Navigation.
Navigation. Please say or select a command from the displayed list.
Map.
Showing north up.
So you've got voice activation, which is very, very great feature, I should be saying. So you can ask it to find the navigation, the street. You can ask somebody to dial the phone number, change radio stations. So it makes it very safe with the voice activation. I've actually got the folding mirrors too. So there we have it, our beautiful Qashqai. The last owner bought it as a pre-registered car. He thought he bought it brand new, but it's pre-registered with delivery mileage, and it's registered in his name about 2 weeks after it was actually registered. So he's had it from brand new, but it is pre-registered. We have 2 sets of keys. We have complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, service history. What a fabulous example. It is gorgeous. Great value for money. With just 22,000 miles. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 off the website. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details how that operates. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve the car and you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund your money, no questions asked. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Established since 1997, a multi-award-winning dealer in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Read about our raving fans reviews. I understand why customers come back to us time and time again. We're open Monday to Saturday. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. Check out our great finance offers on the website. Apply direct off the website. It is very quick and easy. All our vehicles come with 3 months warranty, which is extendable to 12, 24, 36 months. So there we have it. Any further information, give us a call 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.